Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. You hear that? Okay. Status on the babies is five of them altogether, but two died. Stillborn. There's one black one and two tan ones. Here's one. And here's one. And here's one. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Oh, it's a boy. It's a boy. Oh, it's a girl. We got a girl. We got a girl. Hey, you girl. This black one is going to give me the run for my money again. The other one was a brown one. Oh, we got two boys. A tan boy and a black boy. Ain't they so adorable, guys? Okay. Stop it. The other two, I'm gonna go bury them later on in the day. They're about like in like 5 bags. We can put them in some more. So any bug, any animals and anything like that won't get them. I don't know why things happen like this at all. Alright, hush the babies. Hush them. Now I'm going to go back to sleep. Because I'm sleepy. Nothing has really been, going on that much. Except for last night. It started last night. I know one was, gone, passed away. But I try to help it along. Breathe inside his mouth and stuff like that. Because that's what the doctors told us. If his tongue is still pinkish and all that stuff, look like he's moving, so you breathe inside his mouth a little bit, like like you know, not a whole lot, like that, like that, stuff like that. Not, you know, not that much. Then you rub it and stuff like that. You like, you know, like you doing a squishy ball or something. That's what you do to it. If you know, if it's not moving, if it's not, you know, alive, it's stillborn. I guess I think that's what the lady said. So it was 2 babies stillborn this time, and last time I had to get prepared for this because I don't know. The lady said she might have 12 up this time, but this time she only had 5, but 2 were, you know, two were stillborn. You know, it's cool. I love dogs, but I don't love animals, period. Like I said, there's nothing really going on. I'm about to go back to sleep for a little bit. I don't know what it was. Okay. Okay. Everyone have a blessed day today. Always keep God first. And don't let no one get up on your skin. Okay.